Hi, my name is Mike Haswell, Vice President of Business Development and Retention at RLI Transportation. We're excited to have you as part of the team. And I want to take just a few minutes and talk to you about some of the benefits you're going to receive as being a part of RLI Transportation. And the first is, and I hope you've seen this as a result of the other videos and part of this welcome letter, that we place a high value in regards to service. In fact, almost 9 out of 10 customers remain with RLI Transportation at their renewal. And we're excited to be able to bring that same level of service to you. One of the areas we also put a lot of focus and effort into is agent relationships. We have a program here at RLI called Agency Contact Team, or ACT, and that's where our underwriter can work directly with your agent to provide a level of service that is second to none. That contact can be over the phone, but also in person, and that streamlines the level of service to provide you an outstanding opportunity to be able to continue your commercial auto insurance with us. Another area that we put a lot of time and effort into is loss control. And Scotty talked a bit about this, but technology is an area where we're putting more of an emphasis in the future. So one of those areas is called digital risk reviews. So digital risk reviews are a way for you to fill out information on your company, and we're able to provide specialized training to be able to support you in the future. Secondly, we're able to take telematics and data that you are receiving in regards to working with your own employees, and our team can give you information on how to set up a program, trend analysis, so that we can set up that individual training for you for the future. And then the third area is digital accident kits. So if one of your drivers is involved in an accident, they fill out the information right on their phone, snap a few photos, provide it to our claims department, and then that claim can be handled quickly and efficiently going forward. In regards to claims, an area that we put a lot of time and effort in is customer service regarding responsiveness. So if you have an issue regarding needing a loss runs or a customer contact or claim reviews, all you need to do is contact our claims department, and they're there to help you. And then our accounting team. We have a specialist dedicated to providing service to you, and we have an individual accounting specialist that is provided to both you and your producer going forward. We are really excited to be able to work with you and are thankful that you're part of the team. If you need anything at all from me, my contact information is listed below this video, and we're excited to have you with us on the road ahead.